Who is Muhammad Ali Jinnah? Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a prominent politician and statesman who played a crucial role in the creation of Pakistan, which is now the world's fifth most populous country. He was born on December 25, 1876, in Karachi, which was then a part of British India, and he died on September 11, 1948, in the same city. Jinnah was a trained lawyer and began his political career in the Indian National Congress, which was then fighting for India's independence from British colonial rule. However, he became disillusioned with the Congress policies towards Muslims, who were a significant minority in India at the time, and started advocating for a separate Muslim state. In 1906, Jinnah founded the All India Muslim League, which quickly became the leading political organization representing Muslims in India. He served as the president of the league for several years and worked tirelessly to promote the interests of Muslims and secure their rights in a predominantly Hindu India. Over the years, Jinnah's vision for a separate Muslim state grew stronger, and he advocated for two-nation theory that argued that Hindus and Muslims were two distinct nations with separate cultures, languages, and religious beliefs. He believed that the only way to protect Muslim interests in India was to create a separate Muslim state. Jinnah's leadership and political acumen were instrumental in the creation of Pakistan, which came into being in August 1947 after India was partitioned. He became the country's first Governor-General, and he worked hard to build a new nation out of the ruins of partition. He faced numerous challenges, including sectarian violence, mass migration, and the problem of integrating people from diverse linguistic and cultural backgrounds. Despite these challenges, Jinnah remained committed to his vision for Pakistan as a democratic and secular state where people of all religions and backgrounds could live and prosper together. He passed away on September 11, 1948, just a year after Pakistan's creation, but his legacy continues to inspire millions of people in Pakistan and around the world. He is widely regarded as one of the most important figures in the history of South Asia, and his leadership and vision continue to shape the destiny of Pakistan.